Good day, people. Good day. Or good night. Good night. It's Larry L.O.V, Mr. Truckin and Lovin. Back with a little update. We back outside. We back outside. 23 days down. 23. And now we back outside. Finally out that black hole that we know as Charlotte, North Carolina. We back outside, me and my brother. He ready to go too. Y'all see him back there? He ready to go too. We up out of there. We just crossed the state lines. 23 days in the shop. Picked up this afternoon, well, got there this morning because the truck was supposed to be ready this morning. Got there this morning, truck not ready. Waste the whole day in the shop, waiting on some paperwork. Finally got out the shop at like 4:30 p.m. Ride 30 minutes down the road to go see my mama, to say goodbye to my mama. That's what she gave me that. Because you can't keep the winners from winning. Went to go see my mama. And what happens when we get to go see my mama? Find out we got to go right back to the motherfucking shop for some bullshit. Fucking trailer lights was out, so we had to go back to the shop. So I wanted to get away from North Carolina, so brought it all the way down to South Carolina, just crossed the line. And then we just now leaving the shop in South Carolina, got the trailer lights fixed. So now we parking out here for the night, Blacksburg, South Carolina. We gonna hang out here. And then we're gonna go from here. We headed west. California, we'll see you in a couple of days because we back outside. All right? Don't forget, now that we back outside, I did have some fun for the last 3 weeks, just getting comfortable with, sitting at a desk a little bit and doing some other things at the computer and shit like that. But we back outside, so we're gonna keep working still. Sex, Love, and Hip Hop, The Conversation, Season 5, Fridays, 6 p.m, TikTok, same game, same name, but then we added Sex, Love, and Hip Hop, The Conversation to kick.com on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. This is all Eastern Standard Time. All right? We got some new hosts, new topics, real shit moving. You can't keep the winners from winning. All right? To kill the mind, kill the body. But you can't kill love. www.can'tkilllove.com. That's the store. Kill-love.com for all the updates and everything else that we got shaking. All right? Till next time, don't just do it. Kill it. You dig?